Welcome. 50 English Grammar MCQs. Tag questions. Comment your score below. How many MCQs did you get right? Number 1. She is a doctor. Dash question mark. The correct answer is option A. Isn't she? Number 2. They aren't coming today. Dash question mark. The correct answer is option A. Are they? Number 3. He likes tea. Dash question mark. Doesn't he? Number 4. We should go now. Dash question mark. Shouldn't we? Number 5. It's raining. Dash question mark. The correct answer is option B. Isn't it? Number 6. You were late. Dash question mark. The correct answer is option B. Weren't you? Number 7. He didn't study. Dash question mark. Did he? Number 8. Let's go for a walk. Dash question mark. The correct answer is option B. Shall we? Number 9. I'm your friend. Dash question mark. Aren't I? Number 10. Nobody called me. Dash question mark. The correct answer is option A. Did they? Number 11. She sings well. Dash question mark. The correct answer is option C. Doesn't she? Number 12. You can swim. Dash question mark. The correct answer is option A. Can't you? Number 13. He was crying. Dash question mark. The correct answer is option A. Wasn't he? Number 14. I am late again. Dash question mark. The correct answer is option A. Aren't I? Number 15. She couldn't come. Dash question mark. The correct answer is option A. Could she? Number 16. There's a problem. Dash question mark. The correct answer is option C. Isn't there? Number 17. We weren't invited. Dash question mark. The correct answer is option A. Were we? Number 18. He has finished the work. Dash question mark. The correct answer is option A. Hasn't he? Number 19. Let's not be late. Dash question mark. The correct answer is option A. Shall we? Number 20. You don't like it. Dash question mark. The correct answer is option A. Do you? Number 21. They have gone. Dash question mark. The correct answer is option A. Haven't they? Number 22. He will help you. Dash question mark. Correct answer is option A. Won't he? Number 23. She doesn't speak French. dash question mark. The correct answer is option A. Does she? Number 24. You know the answer dash question mark. The correct answer is option B. Don't you? Number 25. We are friends dash question mark. The correct answer is option A. Aren't we? Number 26. He wasn't happy dash question mark. The correct answer is option A. Was he? Number 27. This is your bag dash question mark. The correct answer is option C. Isn't it? Question number 28. She was born in Lahore dash question mark. The correct answer is option B. Wasn't she? Number 29. They didn't come dash question mark. The correct answer is option A. Did they? Question number 30. You haven't eaten dash question mark. The correct answer is option A. Have you? Question number 31. It wasn't your fault dash question mark. The correct answer is option B. Was it? Question number 32. He never listens. Does he? Number 33. We will meet again. Won't we? 34. You didn't forget. Did you? 35. Someone called. Didn't they? 36. Everything is ready. Isn't it? 37. No one knows him. Do they? 38. You used to play. The correct answer is option A. Didn't you? Question number 39. I can do it. Can't I? Number 40. She has a brother. Doesn't she? 41. The boy fell down. Didn't he? We have met before. Haven't we? You won the match. Didn't you? He should study. Shouldn't he? They won't come again. The correct answer is option A. Will they? Number 46. You never told me. The correct answer is option A. Did you? Question number 47. Let him go. Will you? 48. She isn't tired. Is she? He had gone early. Hadn't he? It doesn't matter. Does it? I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe, and comment below how many did you get correct out of 50.